working on the soon-to-be LS Subaru again, and today I think we're just gonna try and get the interior out of it, see what we want to keep, see what we don't want to keep, and then we also have a bunch of wiring I want to get to, because there's a lot of stuff in here that we're not gonna need for a lot of this. And then we gotta like cut the mount off here so we can actually like fit it in there. We're gonna try to do a better job modifying the subframe to actually fit, and then maybe change the pan, because the pan's like, it's like a pretty deep front sump on it. Didn't hang down too low or anything, but I didn't like it. But yeah, we'll get all this in soon, probably not today, but all right, we'll see how it goes.
Things are going good, right?
Yeah, we got it all out.
We got the moose in there.
We got this.
We got our pad
This
so
is
that
how calculated we are. I wonder how hard we'd have to hit that to scratch it.
Yeah, so we got all of the interior out off the firewall so that we can easily get to all the holes and whatnot and kind of sort the wiring out. And now I think Ian's going to work on getting the back seats out.
And then I don't know, that went faster than I thought it would.
Yeah.
That was like 20 minutes since the first update.
All right. Yeah, so we'll keep on keeping on.
Alright, so we kind of decided to stop with the wiring for right now because there's like a bunch of like little connectors and stuff, and they are different from the ones we had before because it's like a little bit older and they changed that kind of stuff. So for right now we're going to work on the bigger stuff. We're going to drop the front and rear subframes out, and on this one, instead of just welding onto it, I think we're going to cut it out and try and keep from having to drop the subframe at all. So we'll do that, and then eventually I want to take apart the rear one because we have some other arms over there we want to put on it, another set of calipers that are going on it, and probably wash it while it's out too. Probably help, but yeah, all the wheels, subframes, we'll probably do everything up front first just so that way we can get started on that sooner, and Moist Mike is gonna pull his T56 so we can start getting fitment and maybe make a trans cross member if we get around to that. All right.
Oh shit, we gotta pull the shifter out still.
Okay.
Not out of this, out of the car.
Oh, fuck. Sweet. Yeah, I'll get under there and do that in a second. Alright, so we cut all this out. By we, I mean Mike cut all this out. So we're gonna like plate these, and then we're gonna lower the steering rack if we can, so we can try and fit a rear sump pan.
Rear sump pan too.
Yeah, I was helping Mike get all this out and together so I could go pull the back, because we got all the front stuff out. Well, I guess I'll go pull that shifter then. It's so uncomfortable.
So, we stuffed it in there with the T56. This is just a 4/8 block that I had laying around, because people that do LS swaps just have that laying around. But we got a pretty decent angle. Right about there.
Close enough.
Close enough. And yeah, so now it's just a matter of debating on what we're going to do.
I'll have to go through the rear subframe too, so we'll probably just throw it up on the counter. Just like a little head cam going again. We should go get food. I'm hungry, bro. Donuts ain't doing it. What time is it?
It's like 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock, and all I've had is donuts today. We should probably go get something to eat.
All right, I'll go do that.
Mikey, you ready for dessert?
Okay, Ian.
Chocolate mousse. Okay. Well, everything's stripped. I think we already talked about that, though. It's kind of... After this long, you kind of start losing your sanity. This is all stripped out. Got the coilovers, subframe. I need to clean out from under here. Still, it's like really messy. We pulled apart the rear subframe so I can put the calipers and stuff on it. Got the old one out. Like, yeah, pretty much everything's out now.
I still see a tail light.
Yeah, you right. I have more taillights too.
No.
Oh fuck. I have these ones to clean up, these calipers, to clean up or repaint, because they got stuff on them. Part Shop Max, they make good stuff. And then I also have these ones, so... Yeah, it's not focusing now. But, yeah, I gotta paint those, so comment a color or something. Alright. Alright, we out.